Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from your PayPal balance. So as you can see here, I do have a PayPal balance and I'm going to withdraw this PayPal balance to my bank account. So the first thing I'm going to do is click up here on the PayPal balance, and then on this screen you can just scroll down until you see a section that says more options, and under here you should see a section that says transfer from your balance. So click on transfer from your balance. And then this option pops up: transfer money, transfer to your bank, transfer to your PayPal savings, transfer internationally. So we're going to click on transfer to bank. Okay, so from this screen, you could click on this pencil icon up here. If you don't want to transfer like the full amount, you could just transfer, like, let's just say from my balance, I just want to transfer like $5. I could click on that pencil icon and edit the amount there. I could choose to receive the money in minutes, but it will charge me a 1.75% fee. Or I could choose to receive the money in 1 to 3 business days and I would not get charged the fee. And right here where I have my thumb is actually my banking information, so that's where your bank accounts show up. If you wanted to go to a different bank account, click on change here, and then you just have to add a different bank account. But if everything looks good with how much you want to transfer and being charged no fee, like I said right here, it says fee none. So right here at the very bottom, you see transfer whatever amount. So click on transfer that amount. And right here it should be loading. And there we go. Whatever amount that you wanted to transfer is on the way. So that in a nutshell is how you withdraw money from your PayPal balance to your bank account. So if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.